Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the day 4 of the Vlogmas series. So today I'll be posting the part 2 of the Q&A where I'll be talking more about how I became an influencer, how I get PR packages and stuff like that. I didn't want to include that in that video because the video was already so long, so I thought let me do a part 2. Do watch it right now. And most of you are asking how did you become an influencer and how do you get free products from different brands like PR packages, bloggers mail and stuff like that. So first let me tell how I became an influencer. So I never had this thought of becoming one, but during this lockdown I was like so bored. First I actually started making videos on TikTok first, I guess, and then in a month or two I think TikTok got banned, and that's when I thought, okay, I have an Instagram page, let me start creating content. So I started making self-portrait of different ideas and stuff like that. Then I also had a YouTube channel as well, so I used to post videos in that as well. And then what happened was Reels started on Instagram, and then we started many of them started trying out Reels, and like it reaches a lot of huge audience. So that's when I started doing Reels. Then somehow I thought I was good at art also, and I had to do something different, so I thought I'll start with face painting, like face makeup or SFX makeup and stuff. So that's when I started experimenting and trying out and then posting pictures on Instagram, making videos, making reels on that, and people used to love that. I got this first collab. Maybe I'll share the story of that collab maybe in a different video, like separately about that story. It's a long story. Whatever. It was a fake giveaway kind of collab. Some brand was making a giveaway, and then before the giveaway could get announced, like they texted me and told, we are going to make you the winner of the giveaway, and it's like a collab and you need to promote our page and stuff like that. So yeah, I was never part of the giveaway. One day before the giveaway ended, they made me participate in the giveaway because all that they wanted was just promotion of their page. So that's that. So that's my first collab, so where I got some makeup products. So that's how I started. So when I was doing that collab, I had one more girl, okay. Her name is Mehak Arora. She has been so helpful. Back then she had followers more than me, good followers, good amount. She had good amount of followers, but now she has a little more followers. That time I asked her, I checked her page and I asked her, how do you get these free products and stuff like that? How do you get PR packages? So she was so kind enough to like help me out. We used to text on WhatsApp, and she explained me how we need to approach for brands and how brands approach to you. That's when I thought maybe let me give it a try. Anyway, I'm not doing anything. At that time, no, I used to be very bored and I didn't know what to do. Now though I'm like very busy, I don't have time to do things. Back then I was like very bored. So I thought, let me give it a try. So I started DMing certain brands. Like she told me to go to her page, search for the brands that have sent PR packages for her, and then DM them. So I went, DM them. So yeah, basically you need to like request for a collab and stuff like that. That's how I started at first. Then maybe when I did around 10 collabs, I kind of stopped approaching, and that's when brands recognize you because of your hashtags and stuff like that. You learn as you start becoming an influencer. So that's when brand DM you, they start calling you for collaborations, they send emails, they ask if they can send their products to you and you can review them. And you can like totally tell if you want to do it, you can do it, or if you are not able to do it, just say no for it. It's totally okay. You always need not say yes. Yeah, but starting any brands, when you're working with any brands, just take random brands. Don't see big high class brands, luxurious brands, like well-known brands and stuff. Some normal like small brands who are trying to grow in Instagram. So DM such brands. So I'll tell you some tips and tricks maybe like properly in a different video. And also when I was doing all this, I came to know about this particular page in Instagram called Budding Influencers, where they do like brand marketing for influencers. Like what they do is you need to go and click on the link in their bio. You can go and check it out as well. So what you have to do is you have to go to their page, go to their bio and click on the link that is given in the bio. Click on the link and then you get options like collab and stuff like that. There are many things like that, tabs. So press on the tab that says collaboration, click on that, and then you will get certain options like Instagram collab, YouTube collab and stuff like that. So if you have a YouTube page, you can click on YouTube collab as well. If you have an Instagram page, you can click through Instagram collab as well. So for example, I pressed Instagram collaboration. So you will get so many tabs of different brands that are working for them. Like it's like a chain system. So that particular brand pays them for their promotion and they send products, and those help influencers get the products, and that's how they market. So what happens is yeah, so you need to go press each brand read the description that is provided. They'll say there will be some criteria. Let's say people can participate only if you have 2k followers, maybe 5k followers, 10k to 20k followers. So a person like me, I have 3000 followers, 3200 followers. So what I can do, I can only apply for campaigns. So there are lots of campaigns. I can only apply for campaigns that have like that criteria, like 3200 and below. I can't fill the form for campaigns that have a criteria like 10k followers and above, because I can fill the form but I won't get selected anyways. So that's that. So what I used to do initially, I used to go click on the Google Forms. You need to fill that out. You need to put your name, your email and stuff like that. It's a Google form. Fill all the details that they ask for: name, email ID, contact number, your Instagram link, your Instagram followers. They will check it. So don't write your like if you have 3k followers, don't write you have 10k followers. They will cross check it. So don't do such things. So yeah, and then submit the form. And then what happens is, if they select you for the campaign, so they have this criteria where they select like 20 or 30 or 50 followers for one particular campaign. So if you are lucky enough, you get selected. Most of the time you get selected. So they will like revert back to you through a WhatsApp message or a call or email or something like that. And then they will tell you about the campaign. Sometimes it will be barter collaboration, like they send the products and then you have to do a video or something for them. Sometimes it's like paid collaborations. That's where you get the products as well. You get paid for the video as well. And then there is one more where you only get paid a small amount, and then they will send you a video. You just need to post the video. You need not do anything. They won't send you the products. You need not review the product. Just post the video that they send you. You get paid for that as well. That is the third one. And the fourth one is, it is a barter collab itself, but it's slightly different. As in, they'll send you the link. You have to purchase that product from Amazon with your own money after you've done with all your deliverables, like or after you've submitted the video, after you've done the review, and after you've written the review on Amazon. Then they will like send the whole amount back to you. Like they will refund the amount to you. So it's the free product itself, but yeah, first you need to pay for it and then they pay back. Such kind of collaborations I have not done. I think initially I might have done 1 or 2 when I didn't know much, and that's when I was told like you can do such one, because initially brands don't recognize you and stuff like that. So initially you can do it, but later I feel it's not required. So that's that. There's a lot of things. I'll make a whole complete different video for that, explaining it clearly. Whew. I'm tired talking. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.